What's going on, everybody? This is, excuse me, this is Oryon Rc. This is Aubrey Smith speaking. I was going to do an update on my HPI Sprint 2 full custom build with the Racing rear-wheel drive conversion. And as you can see, custom built upper motor mount out of an original Sprint 2 motor plate. Custom built that for an upper motor mount, and it has made a world of difference, guys, on really being able to throw the body or throw the chassis one direction or the other with picking up speed and really getting that car more sideways. I've really been happy with that. Can't wait till the Racing one actually comes out. Maybe I'll pick that up if it seems to be more adjustable than the one that I custom built. So installed a fan for the motor. It has been staying very cool, hasn't given me any issues. Racing Tornado fan. Excuse me, not Tornado, a Racing fan though. I did change my final drive ratio. I was told by my boy Tommy Lee up north that you wanted somewhere between 7 and 8, 7.5, 8.5, and I was running in the 4s. Did not know that, so I was way off on my gear setup and kind of felt like an idiot somewhat there, but you know, it's a learning curve here. So I'm running my 83 tooth gear right now. It has a 23 tooth pinion on it. I will be going to an 84 tooth Racing gear spur once it comes in, and I also ordered a 22. That is going to put me at 8.14, I believe. Right now I'm at 7.79, so I just put myself at 8.14 for final drive ratio, and I think that with this upper motor mount and my stiff rear end suspension, and this thing's gonna slide wherever it wants on whatever track, whatever surface. I'll just have to adjust my tires, and I'm gonna be very happy with it. I mean, it's a Sprint 2. It wasn't designed originally to be one of them competition drifters sticking sideways with people, but I think I'll be able to put this there whenever everything is done. I think so. Let's see, anything else that I've changed? Rear camber's at 8, front camber's at 7. Front toe is, I guess, -1 because it's out, toe out, so it's toe out 1 degrees. There's not much more I have done to change it. Oh, I did get rid of my ball diff. It seemed to keep slipping, so I did go and change my ball diff, and I went and put back the rear differential, and I locked it, and I made sure it's locked, and no matter what, it's locked. So I do have a locked rear diff on there now. I think my ball diff was slipping and giving me some issues sideways, so that has definitely helped. Upper motor mount, final drive ratio was changed. You can try and see that upper motor mount. It really did come out very good, I think, for a custom built design there. So front shocks I have kept super soft. Again, I drilled the piston cups to 8 holes to give it a lot of travel. Took the droop screws out, so you can see that it gives you plenty of travel. Plenty of travel. I think I'm running like 14 droop. You see, really soft, guys. Really soft. Really soft. Really soft, and then stiff in the rear. So I put a band across the front here, running from one side, as you can see, coming around to the other. It's helped with the upper arms, and the Sprint 2 kit they've gotten a little loose in the washers, and I haven't ordered anything yet, like Racing Eagle arms or something like, or Eagle Racing upper arms or anything. So this band helps keep that arm tight forward, so there's no wobble at all. Excuse me on the blur there, I was moving too much. and the rear I did it to the back side, and that helps keep it set to the rear. So I think that's about it. I don't think there's much more I have done to it. It really does drive very good at full lock. As you can see, this tire sits level. It does not give you, Sprint 2s do not give you as much turning radius as D4, as you can see, but you get that thing sideways out in the track and you can't tell hardly any difference. It's sitting way sideways, as you can see. So it's definitely, I've been happy with it. I built it from the ground up. I bought it as an Exotech kit and just started putting pieces together and built it. So that's it for me so far, guys. Like, subscribe, let me know what y'all think. If anybody has come up with any better options on how they're running a Sprint 2. MST CSR orange, the hardest they get on the front, and then DS triple Fs right now. I have 4 Fs that I want to put on it and run those to give me a little bit more slide in the rear, but overall, after the motor mount and everything, the tires I think are going to work out. I'm going to try one more set of tires, but that's just to have options. So again, guys, Oryon Rc, this is Aubrey Smith speaking. HPI Sprint 2 full custom with the Yeah Racing Sprint 2 conversion kit. And once and for all here, not sponsored. Oh, come on. Not sponsored by mommy and daddy. Oryon Rc, you guys check out my track and go freeze floor to Orion's belt. Alright, I'm out.